Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix mobile data is not working in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn off your airplane mode, then go back and check your network connection work properly or not. After that, scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back and click on erase all data. Now here enter your password to erase all your data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.